Meaning of filter.
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 Filter. Filter refers to the process of selectively removing or retaining certain elements from a larger set based on specific criteria. In the context of computer technology, filters are often used for sorting through data, images, or other types of content. The result of using a filter is typically a smaller and more refined dataset that meets the desired specifications. Filters are widely used in various fields such as image processing, scientific research, e-commerce, and social media, allowing users to efficiently and accurately narrow down their search results to find the most relevant information.